Let's make a drink that'd be a hit for the 4th of July. Electric Avenue is white mocha, cherry, and a secret ingredient, so watch towards the end. So you're gonna start off with your base, add some white chocolate in there, then some ice. Now what we're gonna do is grab our pitcher, get some cherry syrup. We're gonna add milk. What we're gonna do now is, now that you have the syrup and your milk together, you're gonna froth it up. Just so that way the syrup mixes in with the milk. Pour it over your ice. Then your shot of espresso. Add some whipped cream. And then, this is what you really want. It's gonna give it like a nice pizzazz to your drink. Everybody loves it. Some Pop Rocks. Sprinkle some up top. Grab yourself a straw and enjoy.